Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, ingathi kusazoshuba kwamseleku. Yazi guys, I suspect that the wives have been hiding a lot from us, have been giving us partial truths, and it seems like uMaXele is tired of this, and that's why ingathi uMaXele is spilling the beans even on dabas that do not concern her. One thing about uMaXele guys, abafuni abanye abantu bangena umshado wakhe, but yet indaba zabanye, hayibo, she is within. So in the trailer guys, we see uMaXele saying to ubabakhe, lento besiyele laphana retreat, hayibo, yenze izinto zavela zawes. We also see her saying guys with so much passion ukuthi wena babakhe wathatha istand, so kumela wathi awuzange uwenze ama-IVF, but mina I knew that uwenzile ama-IVF several times. Nina noyithuni noMakhumalo naletha umuntu emzumbe ukuthi azokhulelwa for uMakhumalo. Hey guys, Shutu uMaXele is like, listen, I am tired. I'm tired of my man constantly being the villain. And indaba ye-IVF guys, asazi ukuthi yaphelelaphi. They just kept quiet about it. At some point in the previous seasons, there was even a time where uMusa did suggest that they need to take someone kwaMakhu or someone from the Khumalo family to come and help azolekelela uMakhumalo. Singazi ukuthi kuphelelaphi ngalokho guys. But I just kind of feel like this is such a sensitive issue for uMaXele to speak so passionately ngewumbu yomunye umfazi. She should have just kept quiet and left it. I really hope when that episode plays guys, and I'm expecting that uMusa must say to uMaXele, whoa mama, like asiyekele leyo ndaba. Let's pause it because it is a sensitive issue touching uMakhumalo. Why should he be discussing uMakhumalo's womb issues or whatever, their infertility journey? Why should he be discussing it with uMaXele? uMaXele, who doesn't even or seems to have the sensitivity to talk about such a matter. I get that she wants to clear her man's name and maybe in her head ufuna ukukhipha abantu amanga, but it's not her place, guys. Also, guys, we are sitting with an issue of, did uMusa really do several rounds of IVF? Phela guys, i-IVF iyadiza. So some people actually feel ukuthi hayibo Maxele, waze wakhuluma nge-confidence uyazi indoda yakho ukuthi ilixoki kangakanani. How sure are you that there was several rounds of i-IVF done? Don't be so sure on it because this man could have been lying to you. So it could be A, that uMusa lied to uMaXele that there were several rounds done, or number two, uMaXele is speaking the truth. Now the question then comes in with it, why would they be quiet about this matter and make it seem like uMusa was the one who just weren't interested or serious enough to make this IVF thing happen? Hey guys, Zgaka coming from uMaXele. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.